Yeah, what's up guys, Kurt here. My socials are the Flow State Drum Channel, just here to review, talk about my Collision Drumsticks. Spoke to them a few months ago and they sent me a discount. Spoke to them a few months ago about a endorsement, and they sent me discount code, and I bought 3 pairs. And packaging that came in was solid. I've been using them a few months. Things I really like about them are they're really light and strong at the same time, and they got a nice natural feel. Which is really good if you want to go around the kit super fast, like do those singles, really fast singles around the kit. I use the 5Bs or the 5B reachers, probably more the 5Bs these days. But yeah, my music journey, I've been playing since I was 11, been in different kind of rock bands, like pop punk bands, metal bands. Done quite a bit. I'm in a new band now with my cousin and a few others. Excited about that. It's called Everything Connected band. It's just started, but I'm really excited about it. And also, I'm focused on my kind of solo career, like doing drum tip videos, drum covers, etc. So yeah, really exciting time for me in my music career. And yeah, if you're a fan of strong and light drum sticks, check out Collision.